All right, how's it going, everyone? It's Sylvain here. So welcome to the channel. So another video. Hopefully you'll like it. So again, just a little intro. What we saw this week. If we talk about crypto, so we saw a lot of upswing, especially. I think we saw some gains on Ethereum towards the end of the week. Friday, Saturday, we saw EOS kind of gaining a bit of value there on the markets. So besides that, hopefully I had a good week. I just wanted to discuss something that happened to me recently. It was about so from time to time when I do video, I put an ad on Pinterest. Hey, it's pretty cheap, Pinterest versus Facebook ads and so on. So I'm putting that stuff on, and then I just put my latest video, one I did with on Smart Cash. So I ended up just doing the ad. So essentially, it's just driving more people in essentially in the channel, right? So it could be anything like my dash videos and so on. They all come in, and hopefully they come in my channel and then subscribe at the end, get more subscribers, that sort of thing. So get more views, right? So it's not everyone that knows who sylvaincloutier is, right? So obviously you gotta throw it out there sometimes, and it's pretty cheap. Usually I go like $1 a day for 4 or 5 days, that sort of thing, and then I see what happens and so on. So I think it ran for about 4 or 5 days, and then I get that disapproved. So it was reevaluated and it was disapproved because of financial services that facilitate, purchase of Bitcoin and all that, right? So I just find it funny because, and again, it's the first time it happens to me, so I'm gonna try it again. I might, I'm thinking where it might come from. It might be from some of the keywords, the 25% return. I was talking about the yield return, but it's actually a fact, right? It's not a 25% return in dollar value per se, but it's 25% return in yearly on your smart cash for the year. So in smart cash, so it doesn't mean you're going to be a millionaire overnight, right? So it depends the value of that particular coin, right, at that given time, right? So it's nothing. What I wanted to discuss about was, people or the big tech social medias. They're easy, to push that stuff away from people, right? So it seems that that only thing they want to engage, that they want you to think about is deal with banks, right? So that that's one thing that cracks me up, because they barely give any interest rates or even negative interest rates, and oh, don't invest in crypto, it's dangerous, you're going to lose your money and stuff like that. Well, what about putting that stuff in the bank account? And now with the government's now driving that inflation up, so do you think that 10K you placed in savings account at 1.5% will be worth 10K in 3 years? Probably not, right? So that thing just like pisses me off, right? So it's one of those things where obviously people need to understand that yes, crypto can be dangerous. Don't invest what you can't afford losing. Obviously, that's one principle. But having that said, you got to look out for other options. Like real estate, gold. I don't know, like even some of the stocks and stuff. Sometimes it could be like tricky, and the market, in my opinion, recovered too quickly. So we'll see what happens there. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just saying that sometimes you need to get out of the bubble, the mainstream, and then think for yourself. And that's kind of the thing. That's why I get involved with crypto, right? Obviously for that, and like Pinterest, and taking my ad down for whatever reason about financial. Like it's not that bad. Like just get it. What I'm saying is like get educated. My channel, I'm trying to educate you as much as possible. Obviously, I might not be right on every project or whatever, but that happens, right? So it's one of those things where I'm trying my best, and I'm kind of sharing that the knowledge to you, right? So that's what I want to do with my channel, and then so on, and then we'll see where I take it, right? So like I said, I've been investing in some projects here and there, and you never know what really happens. But really, step outside that, that censorship that they're bringing, trying to always push something aside because it's not, with the big tech or what mainstream media's wants, right? So it's, I don't know, it just that part, you got to step away from that, and keep looking for yourself. You know, get out there, educate yourself on the various cryptos. You know, you're gonna like some projects, and you know, even the ones I'm talking about, you might not even like them. So just go out there and you know, go discover, right? So we all know about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. But I think now at this point, um, you know, we've got you know, great alternatives now with altcoins and stuff, especially with the fees coming up. So I think we're starting to see a lot of great projects, you know, and onboarding a lot of, you know, big companies and such, right? Uh, so what I want to say, it's not like, oh, like scam. No, I think that's in Facebook and in Pinterest and those types of advertisement. They always think, you know, financial services are always bad, and I'm promoting, you know, making money and stuff. That's not at all what I'm doing with the channel, right? So I'm educating. Obviously, you might make some money on an investment, and then you might lose on another one, right? So I just had some stocks before Christmas or whatever that kept going down, and then I decided to sell, and then I lost a bunch of money, right? So it happens, right? And then I'm recovering that loss with something else, right? So it just balances out at some point. So you just go out there, get educated. What I suggest is really to look outside a little bit of what people are suggesting, right? And then obviously, if you go to a bank, they're not going to recommend you to um, you know, invest in crypto. Oh, it's risky. It's risky. Yeah, just invest in 2%, you know, savings account, and you're not going to change your life whatsoever doing that. So if you do, then you're making a lot of money at a job, and you're saving 75% of it, which I doubt, right? So just go out there and you know, look for options. So yeah, that was pretty much my message for this one. Just find it funny again that I'm gonna try to put it up again, or maybe modify the keywords and stuff like that. So anyway, so if you like that message, I'm gonna try to bring some more videos like that. Hopefully, you know, trying to engage with you. And then, have you experienced that stuff before? So let me know in the comments and stuff like that. I'd like to, you know, share that stuff if you've been blocked from a site, or I don't know, anything, social media. It could be financial and stuff like that. So again, thanks for watching. I'll try to do a bit more of that, so give me some feedback if you like it, and then hopefully you subscribe, and then hit notifications if you do, so you're reminded of my videos I post usually on Mondays and Thursdays. So thanks for watching, and then we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.